Can a vehicle that appears to be nothing more than an ordinary family hatchback step onto the world's most brutal racetracks and completely humiliate the egos of high-end all-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive sports cars? True devotees of the JDM world know this name all too well: the Honda Civic Type R FL5. Unveiled in the latter months of the year 2022, Honda made it absolutely clear with this 11th generation hot hatch that when it comes to raw cornering grip and an uninterrupted driver connection, the crown belongs to them alone. While its exterior design is significantly more mature and elegant than its predecessors, the engineering beneath the surface is ruthlessly track-focused and violent. But how exactly did Honda engineer a front-wheel drive platform to become the fastest of its kind around Germany's terrifying Nürburgring Nordschleife circuit? What secret JDM formula is hidden inside its compact turbocharged power plant that makes it the best handling hot hatch on Earth? Today, we dissect this masterclass in mechanical balancing. Welcome back to Drive Dictator, where we focus only on raw racing heritage and the supreme reign of elite automotive machines. If you are a true enthusiast of this track king, subscribe to the channel right now. Chapter 1. The Evolution of the Red Badge, the FL5 platform. The iconic red badge worn by this machine is not merely a cosmetic choice. It is the ultimate symbol of Honda's competitive racing history. When developing the new FL5 platform, engineers heavily optimized the structural rigidity, making the chassis stiffer and lower. By extending the wheelbase, they achieved a level of high-speed stability that makes the car feel completely glued to the track. Up front, a newly integrated functional vent on the aluminum hood and an aggressive mesh grille optimize airflow through the engine bay, ensuring the powertrain remains operating at peak thermal efficiency during intense track hot laps. Chapter 2. The Heart of the Front-Wheel King, K20C1 engine. Housed beneath that vented hood is a legendary masterpiece of internal combustion, the 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 K20C1 engine. This is no ordinary four-cylinder powertrain. It is a high-revving weapon tuned to pump out a violent 315 horsepower and a massive 420 Nm of torque. Honda completely re-engineered the turbocharger for this generation, altering the turbine blade design to optimize fluid dynamics and reduce lag. The result is an instantaneous throttle response that delivers a devastating wave of power the moment your foot buries the accelerator, pinning you deep into the seat. Chapter 3. The Purist's Holy Grail. 6-speed manual transmission. In a modern automotive landscape dominated by automated dual-clutch paddle shifters, the Honda Civic Type R FL5 stands as a sanctuary for pure driving purists. It features arguably the finest, most mechanical 6-speed manual transmission in production, capped by a solid aluminum shift knob. The gearbox features a highly sophisticated, factory-tuned rev matching system. This system automatically blips the throttle during downshifts to perfectly align the engine's RPM with the transmission speed, preventing chassis imbalance when downshifting deep into a corner, allowing you to extract maximum performance like a professional racing driver. Chapter 4. Conquering the laws of physics, suspension and grip. The absolute greatest engineering hurdle for any high-horsepower front-wheel drive vehicle is overcoming torque steer, the tendency of the steering wheel to rip itself to one side under heavy acceleration. To eradicate this phenomenon, Honda deployed a specialized dual-axis front suspension layout that completely separates the steering knuckle from the suspension strut. Working in tandem with this setup is a mechanical LSD, or limited slip differential, which dynamically routes torque to the front wheel with the absolute maximum amount of mechanical grip, pulling the car through tight corners like a high-velocity laser cutter. Chapter 5. The Racing Cockpit and Logger System. Stepping inside the cabin, you are immediately greeted by the historic red suede seats and matching red carpeting. These bespoke bucket seats are engineered to tightly lock your torso into place against extreme lateral G-forces on the track. Embedded within the infotainment architecture is a highly advanced, motorsport-grade data logger known as the Honda LogR system. This system monitors and records real-time lap times, tire friction coefficients, brake pressure metrics, and critical engine telemetry, allowing drivers to analytically dissect and refine their skills after every single track session. Chapter 6. The Final Verdict. The Indestructible Legend. Ultimately, the question remains, does the Honda Civic Type R FL5 hold the definitive title as the absolute king of front-wheel drive? The answer is an undeniable yes. It stands as living proof that you do not require thousands of horsepower or a multi-million-dollar price tag to build a flawless sports car. With the right chassis balancing and precise engineering, a practical hatchback can step onto the blacktop and comfortably slay giant supercars. That is all for today's track-focused breakdown of the spectacular Honda Civic Type R FL5. Do you think its ultimate all-wheel drive rival, the Toyota GR Corolla, has what it takes to dethrone this FWD king on a hot lap? Share your technical thoughts down in the comments section below. If you loved this deep dive into JDM heritage and precision track engineering, make sure to drop a like on the video. To stay wired into more high-energy, fascinating stories, and mechanical masterpieces from across the globe, do not forget to subscribe to your channel, Drive Dictator. Because here, the journey of speed and creation never stops. Take care of yourselves, and we will see you in the next heavy and powerful video. Until then, stay driven, and Allah Hafiz.